Ever logged onto TikTok only to find your favorite features have vanished into thin air? Don't worry, because today we're diving deep into how to fix those missing TikTok features and get you back to creating and consuming content like a pro. First things first, the simplest solution is often the best. Close the TikTok app on iOS. Swipe up from the bottom of your screen and then swipe the TikTok app card upwards to close it on Android. Go to your settings, then apps, find TikTok, and tap Force Stop. Next app, let's make sure you're running the latest version of TikTok. Open your device's app store, search for TikTok, and if an update is available, hit that download button. Developers are constantly adding new features, and sometimes older versions can cause compatibility issues. A stable internet connection is crucial for all of TikTok's dynamic features. Try toggling your Wi-Fi or mobile data off and then back on again. Sometimes a quick network reset is all it takes to reconnect to those missing functionalities. If a simple refresh doesn't work, it's time to clear the app's cache. Go into your phone settings, find TikTok under your applications, and look for an option to clear cache. This clears out temporary files that might be causing glitches without deleting your account data. Another effective step is to log out of your TikTok account and then log back in. This can refresh your account's connection to the platform and resolve individual user-based issues that might be hiding those features. Still no luck? If after all these steps your features remain elusive, it's time to reach out to TikTok support directly within the app. Go to your profile, then the menu, settings, and privacy, and report a problem. Clearly describe the features you're missing and the steps you've already taken. With these troubleshooting steps, you should be well on your way to seeing those missing TikTok features reappear and enjoying the full creative power of the platform again. Happy TikToking!